Hello everyone, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sarah Faradila, NIM 44251291. My presentation, the question what? Slide 1, rumus question, words simple past. Asking, rumus dari ini adalah asking subject, keywords, question words, plus verb to, plus o atau kata-kata verbal tanda tanya asking object question words plus date plus subject plus verb one atau those tanda tanya. Itu salah satu rumus dari asking subject dan asking object. Selanjutnya what used to ask about things. Example, what is your name? Pertanyaan dari kata what untuk menanyakan nama. I used to ask about people. Example, who is your teacher? Where used to ask about place. Example, where do you live? When used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? Berarti dari kata when ini untuk menanyakan berapa umur dia itu. How used to ask about methods. Example, how do you make this cake? Which used to ask about cookies. Choice. Example, which color do you prefer? Dan dari kata was used to ask about processions. Example, what bag is this? Dari pertanyaan was ini untuk menanyakan seberapa besarnya. Formal object question. Example, whom did you meet yesterday? How much? Quantity accountable. Example, how much water do you need? Slide selanjutnya, how many? Quantity accountable. Example-nya, how many books do you have? Lanjut, how long? How long is asking about the duration of the action. Example, contoh, how long is the movie? How often? How often is asking about the frequency. Example, how often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? How far? Ask about distance. Example, how far is your school? How old? Ask about age. Example, how old are you? How well? How well is asking about the quantity only if there is a verb. Example, how well can you speak Indonesian? How good? How good is also asking about the quality. Example, how good is your new job? Sorry. How good is your new job? Explanation, penjelasan dari how good dan how well. How well sama artinya dengan how good. Perbedaannya adalah how well pada kalimat tanya menjadi how well do you. How good pada kalimat tanya menjadi how good are you. Itu perbedaan antara how well dan how good. My presentation. Thanks very much. Thank you. Selamat ingat. Terima kasih atas penjelasan ini. The question what? Hello, good afternoon everyone. My opinion about smoking in campus area. Before I give my opinion about this topic, I just want to tell you guys that I'm from Dina Sarana Informatika University, and you guys might know that in my university there is a written rule the smoking in the campus or area is prohibited, but now that where there is a rule, there will always be some people who disrespect the law and break the rules anyway. Right? Of course, I'm so organized that where there is a rule, we must obey it and give it some respect because smoking is bad for health and it affects the air that we inhale anyway. But if there is someone who can inhale smoke from a carrot or they don't like to be exposed to toxic chemicals in the smokes, it's so distressful environment and a place to gain. No, let's when we know the Israel the forbids it. I believe that this rule is right and is alright as students to live or learn in healthy environment, let alone in this era of global warming where air pollution is already bad enough for humans. There are also some side effects that can affect in the people nurtured smoke and inhale it so that proof that smoking is bad even is bad even the people near environment to inhale the smoke is crazy. And it's crazy. I hope going forward everyone is going to realize that there is a rule for a reason and to main purpose is to cope is to keep the environment as healthy as possible for students so that they can aim perfectly and not be betrayed by people who don't respect the rule. Let's keep ourselves healthy and keep our hair environment healthy for one another too. Thank you very much.